Hey guys, just a quick video on turning out the service indicator light for the oil on a newer model 125 N-MAX Yamaha. Here goes guys. Okay, so we have ignition on, oil light flashing, menu button. We scroll through the menu until we get to, so we got oil flashing there, V-belt. Now we need trip, but before the V-belt light comes up, so we scroll through again onto trip, which is there showing 677 miles. We hold the button, we release, and then we hold again, and there you go. Let's turn it off. All done guys. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you.